Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a shaped end for candy stripe friendship bracelet. But before I do that, I would like to give a shout out to Loukia from Greece, an amazing noter behind the Loose Thread Stories Instagram account. Loukia is selling her beautiful friendship bracelets via Instagram DMs, so I'll link her Instagram account in the description below in case you'd like to check it out or buy some of her amazing creations. If you'd like to be featured in one of my next videos, you can apply by filling out the form linked in the description below. Each week I'll randomly pick one author and give them a well-deserved shout out. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. Whether you are making a candy stripe bracelet based on a specific pattern or without the pattern, process of making the shaped end is the same. Once you are satisfied with the length of your bracelet, take the first two strings and make a forward-backward knot with the second string onto the first one. Then take the third string and make a forward knot with it onto the first two strings. Take the next string and make a forward knot with it onto the first three strings. Take the next string and make a forward knot with it onto the first four strings. Take the last string and make a forward knot with it onto the first five strings. And that's it. Shaped end for Candy Stripe Friendship Bracelet is done. Do you like it? Will you try to make it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!